Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to Mts Ideas. In today's video, we'll show you how to make a logo in super easy and a quick way. So before that, we'll know what is a logo. A logo is something that represents your channel. So obviously, we need an attractive and smart logo which catches people's attention to our channel. But for making a smart and attractive logo, we usually take a lot of time and we usually get confused. For that, today's video will show you how to make a logo very quickly and easily. But dear friends, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get all the notifications at the first. Okay friends, so our first step is to go to the Google and search for renderforest.com. Once you have clicked on Renderforest, you will come up on this page and then you have to make an account for yourself. For that, click on sign in. Okay friends, after clicking on sign in, this page will appear in front of you. And then if you don't have an account, scroll down and click on sign up for making a new account. And after clicking on sign up, you'll come on this page where they will ask for your name, email and your password. The password you enter should be your email's password, and you can enter any name of your choice. After you are done with that, click on agree and then sign up. Now the next step is to check the email for activating your account. Friends, as you can see down below, we have got an email, so we'll click that and then we'll scroll down and then we'll click verify email. Then enter your email and password which you had entered before making the account and then sign in. Okay friends, after clicking signing, this type of page will appear in front of you. Now you have to click on the option make logo. Okay friends, after clicking on make logo, you will come up on this page where you have to write the main heading or the main title for the logo and then click on get my logo. Now friends, you have to write the tagline which is optional and which is also a subheading. So if you want to write something below your main title, you can write down in the tagline, and description over here means that your templates will be designed according to description. After you are done with the description, click on the next button. And over here they will suggest you some logo styles where you can choose any one of them, or you can choose even more. You can choose 2 to 3 logo styles and then click on next. Now friends, as you can see in the left side of the page, they will give you multiple designs for writing your title. You can choose any one of them which is smart and elegant for you and then click on that and then click on edit and download. But if you want to preview more mockups, you just have to click on preview on more mockups. Okay friends, after clicking on edit and download option, you will come up on this page where they will ask you for the text changes, where you can change the position of the text to right aligned, left aligned or center aligned, whatever you like. Then icon size also you can change. You can even change its opacity, and then you can also change the subheading size. Now friends, mockup mode means you can check how your title looks in the background. And you can also change the fonts. There are many fonts given below. You can choose any one of them if you don't like the above title. Friends, over here you can also change your title by changing the company name. And then you also have an option to change the color of the fonts. Also friends, if you don't like the background of the logo and you want to change it once again, click on icon option and then click on all option, and then you can select any one of the options they have suggested. For example, if I click on line style, these options will be suggested, and then choose any one of your choice. As you are done with the text, click on download. After clicking on download, they will give you some options. They will suggest you to download it for free, basic and vector and premium. Basic means it's more high quality than free, and vector is slight more high quality than basic, and premium you'll get more features including the background. Okay friends, if you have chosen the free version, this page will appear in front of you, and then you have to click on download option, and then the page will be downloaded directly into your folder in your downloads, and then you can just click on the file and the file will open in front of you. But friends, in the free version you won't get any background for your logo, or you'll just get the sticker and what text you have written. Friends, the PNG option over here suggests slight high quality than the free version. SVG quality suggests more high quality than PNG, and lastly the pack version suggests more high quality than PNG as well as SVG, and also gives you more features as well as the background for your logo. And also friends, if you think you have missed out something and forgotten, you can click on the three dots suggested over here, and then they will show you the option of edit or rename or make a duplicate, and you can change your logo once again. Thank you for watching the video friends. Hope you have understood the topic. Please like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos and getting the notifications at the first.